right, so number 3, in a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes?
That's B.
Yeah. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related?
Can't remember what a Pareto chart is. Oh, a Pareto chart is a bar chart where the height of the bars is presented in descending order.
In descending?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that would be the last option, number 4.
Okay.
Is P the true proportion or the sample proportion?
Let me see what it says in the book.
Let's see. Where did it go? Here we go.
Well, 3.2 talks about sample proportions.
Yeah, let's see.
There's a true population, but I don't see anything about a true proportion.
The true proportion is P.
Well, where did you find that?
Question number 9. What is the true proportion of heads that would be expected to occur if a coin toss was tossed many, many times? Hey, Ronnie's here.
Hi.
Freaking guy, sorry. I just looked at the time and I was like, oh,
No, you're good. We just started.
completely forgot.
Well, we're
See,
glad
how
you're
far in are you guys?
We are on question number 5.
Okay. Sorry.
No worries.
Okay, go ahead.
For 3, we got B, and 4 is C. And then we're just trying to figure out number 5.
I think 5 is A.
True proportion?
Yeah.
Okay. And N would be the sample size? That's what it usually is.
Yeah, let's... I don't think it's the sample size.
Not in this case.
What is it?
It seems almost like too obvious.
Yeah.
Seriously, like sometimes our questions are like that.
Oh, down at the very bottom where it says the little remember box.
Oh, yeah.
It says P is a point estimator for true proportion. So that's correct. But it doesn't say anything about N.
Let's see here. N is the sample size, yeah.
Okay. If P is 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? What is the formula? Is it
So P
The
equals
square root.
X over N.
Oh, that? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it
it
needs
would
to
be
be
4.
greater than or equal to 10.
It'd be 4, right?
No, wait. That's so 1/4 equals. Well, what's the X in this case?
Well, if P is 1 over 4,
Then N
X
would
would
be
be
4.
1, 4
Right.
would be N.
Yeah,
So 4?
that's what I put.
Okay.
Oh, is it that easy? Is it that simple? Huh.
Okay.
I'm always just thinking
What is the mean
something
of
more
P?
complicated, but it's not.
Right. Alright, what formula do we use for the next one? Is it the... Hold on.
N is 24 and P is 24. What is the mean of P?
Oh, under 3.2.2 says the mean of P with the little arrow on top of it equals P.
Right.
So it's
So,
just
0.6.
0.4. And then the standard deviation is P
That's
square root of
what it-
P 1 minus P over N.
right. Do any of you guys have a calculator? Because I don't. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So N is 24. Wait, what's the P again? 0.4?
Yeah, P is 0.4.
Times 1 minus divided by, is N 24?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then the square root of that. Oops. We got 0.1.
Okay.
Someone check me on that.
Yeah.
0.1?
So
Okay.
it's 0.4 times 0.6 divided by 24, and then the square root of that. 0.1, yeah.
0.1. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Wow. This section seems pretty easy.
Okay. So 10 would be 0.3, like the last one. P equals 0.3. Right.
That's just x over n.
Well, no, that's the mean. The P with the thing over it
is equal to x over n.
Oh, just kidding. Sorry.
Yeah, so...
Oh, it's not asking for the mean. Okay.
So it'd be 35 over 100, which is 0.35, 0.35.
Okay.
And then standard deviation. So 0.3 times 0.3, 1 minus 0.3.
Mm-hmm.
And then divide that by 100.
Divided by 100.
Second square root.
Square root. I got 0.046.
Yeah, 0.046.
Okay.
0.046. Did you get that, Spencer?
Yeah.
Birthday party tonight. Present tonight.
I'm doing a group meeting, Mom. I don't
No
know.
matter what, we're having the birthday party.
Sorry, guys.
No worries. Okay. How do we do this Z? Okay. So Z score is the value minus the mean.
Divided by the
Standard
standard deviation.
Yeah, so it'd be what? 30. 35 minus.
So, yeah, 0.35 minus 0.3
Yeah.
divided by 0.046. So 1.087.
1.087. Okay.
Yep.
1.087. Yeah.
Let me open this.
This chapter is not that hard.
Yeah, it really is. Okay, so now we just put that z-score into the applet for the probability.
Yeah, I'm putting it in the applet right now.
Okay. Man, I feel like this is like back to unit 1. See, it's been hard lately.
So for this one, I'm trying to remember which area we use.
Oh, it's in the book.
Oh, it's just above that.
It says to the right.
Okay.
She had the area to the right of this value.
So it's 0.139.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
0.139.
Yep.
So you just put in the z-score 1.087, and then you did
The right
spot to the right.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So p equals 0.52, n equals 2000. What is the standard deviation of p? Okay, so p times 1 minus p over n. So 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2000 square root got 0.011.
Okay.
0.011. Yep.
And then what z-score would you use? That is, so value minus mean or standard. Okay, so is it 0.5? No, wait. Do we know the mean, or do we have to calculate that?
So we need to do less than 50. So it's just 1,000 is x. Isn't that right? So it'd be 0.5. So it'd be 50. Would be.
Wait. How are you
The formula is right there under 3.3. It gives you all the letters.
So it's p hat minus p.
Yeah. So what's the first p?
The first p is 0.5.
Where are you getting that from?
It says getting less than 50% of the votes.
Oh, okay.
So it's
0.5 minus 0.52.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then that divided by 0.011.
Right.
So I got negative. Oh,
Yep.
I guess it can be negative.
Yeah, negative 1.818.
What was it again?
Negative 1.818.
Okay.
What probability do you compute in normal probability applet? Z greater than equal to 0. I don't know that. How do you know that?
I don't really know what that means.
Well, wait, it says less than 50%, so it'd be less than Z.
Okay.
So you pick the area to the left. Wait, so did we do that other one right?
What other one?
We did the one to the when we shaded it to the right.
It wants more than 35 hits.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, that was right. Okay. So 16 is the less than one. So what is the probability of certain results to show the candidate is losing, even though the true P is 0.52? So we just pick the area to the left, that Z-score.
So it's negative, so it's negative 1.818.
Yeah.
So to the left.
Well, I'm not sure because it says the probability survey results will show the candidate is losing, even though the true P equals 0.52. So if they were losing, yeah, less than 50, yeah, so it should be to the left. Yeah, so what's that area for the left side?
It's really tiny. It's 0.0345 or 0.035.
I think it is to the left. Because if they're losing.
Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, I'm going to submit it.
It says less than 50% of the vote. Not positive, that's my best guess.
Alright, I'm going to submit it.
All right. Hey, Ronnie, so just so you know, we filled out the project thing that we're starting this week.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah.
So if you look at just under the...
Is that under 17?
The overview.
It's just
the group project.
Yeah, go to group project at the bottom and then final project overview.
Oh, I see.
And then, so I'm going to submit this little last part right here where it has the blank spaces. I signed up for number 1 and number 6, and then Sarah did 3 and 4. So we just have you down for number 5.
It's not showing up for me.
Where are you submitting it? I don't have anywhere to submit it.
I was just going to email it to her.
Oh, okay.
How did you put it in there? Because I don't see... Oh, you can't... I thought you said you, like, edited it so that you put our names in those spots.
I did, but I just put it in a Word document so I can email it to our teacher.
Okay, cool.
Oh, okay, so
all of us are working on the project together, but the main writer is the person who's responsible for submitting that section of the project. And so, for example, I'm doing the first part. So if you guys want to look over that first part and give me any ideas that you have on it, that way I can incorporate it into what I submit to the teacher.
Okay. Let's look over all of the categories and then talk about it more on Wednesday when we meet again.
Okay.
And tell them what our project is.
So our project, it looked like it was pretty straightforward, and it seemed like something that we could all do. Is one of the options was to just go to a grocery store and write down the names of a whole bunch of different cereals, and also write down how many grams of sugar there were per serving, and then how much that cereal cost per ounce or per gram. And then we'll basically just do a graph that shows the relationship between cost and the amount of sugar per serving.
Yep. It seems pretty simple.
And if you want to look at it specifically, just click Design the Study under Final Project and download that link, and it shows you that whole section. And at the bottom, it shows you what projects we have that we can do.
Oh, so you picked this one from like a list?
Yeah, there's just a list that you pick the project from.
Oh, I see. A list of possible topics.
Yeah.
Go to a local grocery store and select. Alright. Cool.
Okay, guys. We'll see you on Wednesday.
Alright, bye.